हेलो नमस्ते एवरीवन, दिस इज़ अंकिता एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सब सेफ एंड हेल्दी होंगे आप सबके घरों में। सो प्लीज़ डोंट गो आउट, स्टे एट होम। ऑल्सो आज ईद है, सो हैप्पी ईद टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स आउट देयर। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू थ्रू अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप guide of how I have got into this entire look, the dress, where I got this dress from, the entire makeup that I'll be doing, right from my eyes makeup to face to the lips, also the hair that I've done, everything in very detail. So starting with the dress, ये dress जो है ये मैंने around 8 to 9 years पहले खरीदा था from Hyderabad, and this dress is still intact and very appropriate for the occasion. So ये dress जो मैंने खरीदा था ये Globus से खरीदा था when I had just got placed from my MBA college and I had gone to Hyderabad. तो मेरे मम्मी पापा मुझे वहाँ पे सेटल करने के लिए आए थे, and this is when I bought this dress and it still fits me, which is the best part of it. And the dress is so colorful. I will just show you how it looks, and it has a lot of vibrant colors. So I thought, in a time of quarantine like this, why not dress up for Eid in a very colorful and cheerful dress, and which has a lot of colors, vibrant colors, which uplifts your mood as well. So that's how I chose this dress. The next thing that I will take you through is how I got this entire look. So without wasting any further time, let's just start with it. So before doing the makeup, we will prep our skin, and for prepping the skin मैं Blue Heaven का primer use करती हूँ, and ये primer is really good, and it's a transparent primer. It doesn't have any color, but then I think this is one of the best primers that I've ever used. So you guys can give it a try. It's not very expensive as well. So I think I bought it for around 250 bucks, but then it's really good and does the work really well. So for foundation, I use the Maybelline ka Fit Me foundation, which is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. We will quickly evenly spread the foundation, and इसके लिए मैं काबुकी ब्रश का यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इसको हाथ से भी स्प्रेड कर सकते हो. I make use of काबुकी brush because this brush uses the minimum amount of foundation that should stay on the skin. The rest of it is absorbed by the brush. So I think this is why I use this brush, and also काफ़ी evenly apply हो जाता है ये वाले brush से foundation. In circular motion, apply it around your ears so that they also become the same complexion. So post the foundation, now I will use a concealer. I have been using Maybelline का this concealer in the shade 25 medium. So I'll put the concealer only in the places where I feel that I have dark spots. मुझे ज़्यादा डार्क स्पॉट्स नहीं है, बट स्टिल आई विल ट्राई टू करेक्ट देम. सो आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट अंडर द आई एंड थोड़ा सा नियर माई लिप्स, साइड्स ऑफ द लिप्स. सो दैट्स वेयर आई विल अप्लाई द कंसीलर. सो दिस आई विल ब्लेंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. इसको थोड़ा सा मॉइस्ट करना है. Take your own sweet time to blend it because it should not look patchy. So I think I have blended it quite well. So now once you're done applying the concealer, you have to fix it with the help of a fixing powder. You can either take up a actual fixing powder, या फिर आप जो भी compact use करते हैं वो इस beauty blender के help से you just have to dab it on the areas where you've used the concealer. Here I'm using the one from Miss Claire, if you can see. This is just to set the concealer. So next हम करेंगे contouring. So contouring is basically to enhance your cheekbones. So यहाँ पे मैं Flicka का contour use कर रही हूँ, which is a cream contour, and it's in the shade 05 Coffee. It's a really good brand. I went to the beauty store and वहाँ पे मुझे brand देखने को मिला, and I really got so fixated to this. I got 2 of them because it was so good and so creamy. Also, one of the tricks to use a contour is to start it from the start of your ear, right here if you can see, and go towards the center of your cheek. So this is where once you smile, and that's the place where you have to come down to. You don't have to come down till the entire lips, just till here. and you have to blend this really well. So I've applied it here near the jawline as well, because with the help of a contour you can enhance the jawline as well, and ये काफ़ी अच्छा and sharp दिखता है. Make sure you're blending everything in really well. मेरे पास actually contour brush नहीं है, तो what trick I use is I pinch the brush like this so that it fans out a little, and that's how I spread the contour cream. So once we are done with that, we will focus on our blush. So blush के लिए I am using the ColourPop blush, which is in the shade Rosy Peach. So it is not very pinkish, not very peachish. So it's a balance between the two. The trick to apply blush is to suck your cheeks in like this and apply it over here. So right there. So the application of the blush should always be above the contour where you have done. So here I've done my contouring, and this is the place where you have to apply the blush, just a little above the contour. So now what we'll do is, जो हमने बनाना पाउडर अपने कंसीलर को कवर करने के लिए लगाया था, we will just brush it off with the help of a brush. So now we are done with the face, and the only thing left is the eyes and the lip makeup. So eyes मैं last के लिए छोड़ती हूँ क्योंकि उसमें थोड़ा time जाएगा. We'll focus on the lips right now. So I have thicker lower lips and thinner upper lips. So what I'm gonna do here is I will thicken the outline of my upper lip so that I can match the thickness of both my upper and the lower lips. For this I am using lip liner, which is again from Maybelline Color Essential, and this is in the shade of 750 Choco Pop. So this is what I'll be using for outlining my lips. So ये shade जो है liner का, it is exactly the same shade as my lips. So you can also do one thing, आप उस color का lip liner ले सकते हैं जिस color का actually आप lipstick use करने वाले हो, but for me I prefer using the color of my lips. So as you can see, my upper lips have got broadened, and I'll just outline a little for the lower lip as well. We're done outlining the lips. So the lipstick that I'm using is from Urban Color. So this is a brand, this is a herbal brand which is from the brand called Modi Care, and I bought this lipstick a year back, and it's in the shade Kissable. For now that I'm wearing this black dress with a lot of colors in it, मैं ये color use करने वाली हूँ, which is quite dark. So this is an eye palette that I will use both for highlighting and doing my eye makeup. So face highlighting के लिए मैं ये एकदम light सा color use करूँगी to highlight my high bones, and I'll do that with the help of just my fingers. You see that glow that comes when you use the highlighter, that's what you want. Blend it really well. We are done with that. So now comes the most important part, which is the eye. That's the highlight of the evening. So for doing the eye, I will be using this palette which I showed you. ये palette use करने वाली हूँ मैं. And for lining the eyes, I will be using this blue eyeliner which is from Sugar. It's a new pack. ये मैंने आज तक खोला भी नहीं है, and this is the first time I'm gonna use that. Also, to color my waterline, I'll just use a simple black kohl, which is this L18 kohl that I've been using from quite some time. So for the eye, I'll be doing a dark makeup, a brownish blackish look, and lining it with a blue eyeliner and black kohl. The trick to apply eyeshadow on the crease is to keep your eyes half open. तो अगर आप अपनी आंखें थोड़ी सी खुली रखें while applying this, you will get the actual place where you have to, draw the outline of the eyeshadow. मैंने 2 शेड को मिक्स किया है यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा डार्क ब्राउन एंड हल्का सा लाइट ब्राउन, एंड यहाँ पे मैंने टुवर्ड्स द आउटर कॉर्नर ऑफ द आई दोनों को मर्ज किया है. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ फ्लैट ब्रश, द सेंटर ऑफ द आई टू द आउटर लाइन ऑफ द आई विल अप्लाई अ लिटिल डार्कर कलर विच इज अ वेरी डार्क और द बॉटल ग्रीन दैट आई एम यूजिंग राइट नाउ. We are done आई शेडो लगा के अभी आई लाइनर लगाएंगे, बट बिफोर दैट आई विल जस्ट हाईलाइट द इनर कॉर्नर ऑफ द आईज एंड माई ब्राउ बोन. So this is basically done again, you know, to enhance your brow bone. So highlighting the inner corner of the eyes makes your eyes look you know, broader and bigger. So that's why we use it. You can also skip this step if in case you feel that your eyes are, you know, sort of those eyes that are already popped up, because it will make the eyes look all the more bigger. Now we move towards applying the eyeliner, which is the most difficult part. So I will be doing a winged eyeliner look for this evening. So this is the shade that I'll be using, and the shade is called Roadhouse Blues is what the shade is called, and it's royal blue if you guys can see the color, and it's very pretty and looks really good on the eyes. I tried it while buying, but this is the first time I'll be using it. I use this trick to apply kajal. So what I do is I take a little bit of lid out, I put it inside the inner corner of my eye, close my eye and just glide it on the waterline. So what happens with this is both the upper and the lower waterline gets you know, lined at the same time, and you don't have to, you know, stretch your eyes a lot. But then again, having said that, you know, I would recommend this only to people who are very experienced, not everyone. Yeah, we are done now. One extra thing that I'll be doing is I will apply a little bit of, you know, the eyeshadow that I've applied here, the brown one, the light brown one, niche mere eyelashes ke, so to give it, you know, a more enhanced look. So we are done with applying eyeshadow. The only thing left in the eye makeup now is the mascara. So mascara के लिए मैं जो use करती हूँ वो है again Maybelline New York का you know, Hyper Curl mascara. So the last thing that is left is hair. For hair I'm not keeping it open. I will tie a side braid. मैं एक side में चोटी बनाऊंगी, and it is sort of a French braid जो मैं बनाऊंगी. I'll not do it on the camera, so I will just go get my hair fixed and come back to you guys. So guys, I am back with my braid. So अभी ये braid को क्या करूँगी, थोड़ा सा मैं pull out करूँगी इसमें से hair. So the last thing that is left is the earrings. So यहाँ पे मैं ये बड़े से earrings पहन रही हूँ because why not. So ये पहन रही हूँ मैं, and any which ways it's a little glittery for the night function that I am gonna attend, and will go really well with the vibrant colors in my dress. I guess you guys can see, and is very appropriate for the occasion. So there you go, we are all ready. I hope आप सबको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get the notification of the videos that I upload in the future. Also, thanks a lot for watching the video, and keep sharing your love and support like you have always done. So thank you so much, and bye for now. And last but not the least, Happy Eid and Eid Mubarak to all my friends out there. Bye.